What's up, guys? Laying here, I'm about to cold start my 97 Civic here. Hasn't been started in like 3 days. So, let's see where we're at here. Got a little bit of snow. Supposed to get hit. Supposed to get hit here soon, but you know. That new Metallica. Here we go. Doesn't like the cold. It's about 24 degrees. It's a work in progress. I got the new heater down here. Put that in probably this weekend. Rewire my sub. She's running. Quiet. Got the accordion. Can't hear that bad boy at all. I really dig them LED license plate lights, man. That and the cover makes it hard for the police to see at night. Fuck police. And of course, they're DOT illegal. But yeah, that's it. Cold start, man. You always know you can count on your Honda. I popped the hood, but there's about 10 feet of snow. But like I said, really dig those lights. Just put those in. Alright.